Welcome to Forzone Plumbing. Today we're going to be fixing a leaky hose bib. Yet another simple task any homeowner can accomplish on their own. Step one, you want to shut off your water supply. Then, just turn the faucet on. Let the excess water drain out. At that point, take your trusty crescent wrench, loosen off the retainer nut that holds the rod into place. Take that out. On inspection, you can find that the rubber washer that is in there has been compressed, which is allowing the water to leak by. Loosen off that brass screw. Discard that old washer, you won't need that anymore. Get your new one. Put it in place. Tighten up the screw. Slide that back into position. Once again, the crescent wrench. Tighten that up. Then you'll turn on your water. Turn off your faucet. See if it's leaking. Should work perfectly. At that point, once again, you want to enjoy yourself a fine cup of coffee. Thanks for stopping by.